Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the hidden benefits of avocado oil. You know me, I love talking about healthy living and making smart choices to feel your best. Well, avocado oil is one of those secret weapons you can easily add to your routine for a health boost. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for more health tips. Alright, let's break down why avocado oil is gaining so much popularity. First off, it's packed with monounsaturated fats, the heart-healthy kind that can help lower bad cholesterol. We're also talking about a good dose of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects our cells from damage. And hold on, there's more. Avocado oil brings to the table vitamins A, D, and K. These vitamins are essential for everything from maintaining healthy skin and bones to supporting our immune system. We're talking about a real all-star lineup of nutrients here, folks. And the best part, these nutrients work together synergistically, meaning they boost each other's effects. So you're not just getting a bunch of isolated vitamins and minerals, you're getting a powerful combination that can truly impact your health. Now, let's talk about your heart. Heart disease is a major concern. Making healthy choices is crucial. Avocado oil can help lower LDL cholesterol and increase HDL cholesterol. This combination is great for heart health. Plus, it contains potassium, vital for blood pressure regulation. Avocado oil isn't just for salads and cooking, it's great for your skin and hair too. Rich in vitamin E, it protects against aging. Avocado oil is incredibly moisturizing. Oleic acid provides long-lasting hydration. Say goodbye to dry, flaky skin. It soothes eczema and psoriasis. Avocado oil is amazing for hair too. It tames frizz and adds shine, strengthens hair and promotes growth. Here's a fascinating fact about avocado oil. It can actually help your body absorb more nutrients from other foods. You see, some nutrients, like carotenoids, are fat-soluble, meaning they need fat to be properly absorbed. Avocado oil, being rich in healthy fats, acts as a carrier for these nutrients, enhancing their absorption in the gut. This means you're getting more bang for your buck from the fruits, vegetables, and other healthy foods you eat. Think of it this way: adding a drizzle of avocado oil to your salad not only enhances its flavor, but also helps your body absorb more of the vitamins and antioxidants present in those leafy greens. It's a win-win situation. Inflammation is a natural process that helps our bodies heal. However, chronic inflammation is linked to a wide range of health problems, from heart disease to cancer. The good news is that avocado oil contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that can help combat this issue. One of these compounds is oleocanthal, which has been shown to have similar effects to ibuprofen, a popular anti-inflammatory drug. Another powerful antioxidant found in avocado oil is beta-sitosterol, which has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. By incorporating avocado oil into your diet, you can help reduce inflammation and protect your body from its harmful effects. Remember, a healthy diet is one of the best ways to fight inflammation and promote overall well-being. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Remember, making small changes to your diet can have a big impact on your health. Avocado oil is one of those simple swaps that can make a world of difference. So go ahead, add a drizzle to your salads, use it for cooking, or even incorporate it into your skincare routine. Your body will thank you. See you next time.